Welcome back, honeymooners. In this video, we'll be checking out all the amazing amenities at the Waldorf Astoria in Cabo, from the restaurants and everything we ate, to the gym, the cute little coffee shop on site, and much, much more. We'll also be taking you along on our Cabo Arches boat tour and sharing who we booked it with. If you haven't already watched part 1, where we do a full room tour, definitely go back and check that out. You won't want to miss the upgrade. So we signed up for the yoga class, which starts at 8 in the morning. We're here at 7:55, but apparently the instructor has already taken the rest of the class in the group to the yoga spot, which is going to be beachside.
It's 7:59. We're always late.
So they give you these aloe mats.
Aloe yoga mats.
Aloe yoga mats. Alright, let's see what this yoga beachside's about. We started the morning with an oceanfront yoga class held under a shaded palapa, just steps away from the beach. The view was incredible, and having the sound of the waves in the background made it feel really calming and immersive. The class itself was a nice mix of light movements and stretches, nothing too intense, just a great way to ease into the day. Take us around and show us the gym.
Chlorophyll water.
Chlorophyll water.
Interesting. It's like minty.
Oh, this is probably the only hotel that I've seen that has a ski erg. That was a crazy workout. Let's grab some cold towels. Cold. Oh, amazing, amazing post-workout. Let's grab a snack. One of the famous absolute must-see spots in Cabo is the famous El Arco, also known as Cabo Arches, and that's where the Sea of Cortez meets the Pacific Ocean. And it's just as stunning in person as it looks in the photos. The rock formations are massive and so unique, you really have to see them up close to appreciate them. It's also where you'll find Lovers Beach and Divorce Beach, two of the most iconic shorelines in the area. We knew we couldn't leave without getting up close, so we booked a boat tour to check it out. And here's how we did it and why we absolutely recommend it. So for the Cabo Arches boat tour, we actually booked it super easily by messaging tourscancun.org on WhatsApp. I'll leave the link down below, and it was about $18 per person, which was honestly such a good deal for what we got. Our guide was amazing, and he was also a photographer. Hector, truly awesome. Such a funny guy, made the whole experience very relaxed and fun.
That one, that's my dad's boat, okay? Okay. You guys invited whenever you want.
Definitely make sure to connect with him if you can. We took off initially from the spot near the marina, and the boat ride for the Arches was about 15 minutes. And one of the craziest parts is we actually saw 2 huge whales swim right next to our boat. It was such an unexpected surprise and made the whole tour even more special. If you're visiting between January and March, keep an eye out. It's whale season in Cabo. And after the tour, we got dropped off at Lovers Beach and hung out there for about 2 hours before getting picked up.
And after all that running, it's time for breakfast.
Don Manuel Breakfast Restaurant. We just opted in for the breakfast buffet.
The Mexican specific breakfast buffet. You have a continental breakfast that's already included with your stay, where they just bring you like a pastry basket, some fruits, coffee, and cereal. But when you opt in for the Mexican style, you get so many more additions added on that we're going to show you right now. It's only $20 US more, but I think when we show you guys what's inside, you're gonna think that it's worth it. Okay guys, so you have a station where you get beef quesadillas. It's like this. She's making some fresh right now. You've got the chicharron. I'm probably butchering this, huaraches, but it looks like this little guy. And then you have all of these topping stations, sauces, every single thing you could need to build your own taco quesadilla. And there they are in the back being made fresh. And then they're waiting for you in this cute little clay pot. And it just looks amazing. Ready for your quesadilla?
Super excited. Here we go. We got like 6 kinds of habanero in here.
Fresh juice station. Alright. So these are the different types of juices. And you can pretty much customize anything. And you can even add on different superfoods. Oh my god, wow. This is my humble abode and my station. Look at these breads and pastries, croissants, everything that you could need. And they have a toaster right behind me.
This bagel station is crazy.
Beautiful bagel station. So many different types of marmalades, syrups, beautiful yogurts. Honey dripping.
Hector tamales. Super excited for this one. The racha. This thing looked like a slipper. The racha. With the black habanero and the pineapple habanero sauce on top. I don't even know how to describe it. An absolute feast of flavors. Insane. So good.
Looks amazing. Star-shaped, powdered sugar. Wow. It's like eating a donut.
Over here you got the authentic hot chocolate, the Mexican hot chocolate. It's also called like the abuelita, so it's that hot chocolate with the cinnamon. We have the omelet station over here also. Fresh daily. Best chef in the house. After breakfast, it was really hot, so we decided to swing by the pool for a quick dip. And at the pool, we were surprised. They brought us a bunch of little snacks and some drinks to try, starting off with the ceviche. We also got the fruit skewers while staying in the pool. Alrighty guys, next up we got the
Spicy hibiscus margarita.
cheers. Part of our stay here, every day at 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock, you get chips and guac. Comes with also some pico de gallo and 3 coronitas. I just learned the difference between a Corona and a Coronita. Coronita is the baby version of a Corona. But that's not the focus of this. The focus of this is the chips and the fresh guacamole. Would you look at that? Oh my god. With a little, queso blanco on top. Alrighty guys, so as promised, we're gonna show you everything we ate here at Waldorf Astoria, Los Cabos. We had reservations tonight at El Faraón for all 3 of us. But after spending all day in the sun, we felt quite lazy, quite tired. We weren't as enthralled to say, or as excited. Enticed to go to that restaurant. And also we're pretty dead. And we didn't want to spend $600 on dinner.
Also, it's on a cliff, and our reservation was at 8:15, and it was going to be pitch black, so I don't think we were going to get much of a view. They do have live music from 7 to 10, so you might have just missed that, but I think we'll turn on some movies here and call that a show.
Yeah, so I think had our reservations been earlier, maybe like 6 p.m. during sunset, it would have been a little different. We'll take you on a tour of all the food that we ordered from the room service,
Yes.
which they brought to our room and spread beautifully on the table. First up, we got the ribeye steak. Came with some carrots, tomatoes. So this cost about $55.
I ordered the catch of the day, so we got this beautiful white fish on a creamy bed of rice.
$35. How much does this burger cost?
The burger was $40.
$40.
So how was the burger?
The burger was really good, but way too much for one person. The fries, bomb, but you need to eat them while they're hot.
So if you had to rate it 1 out of 10, 10 being the best.
I would say this is like a 7 out of 10 burger.
I mean, we eat the worst food, and we're like, you know what? It's still like an 8.5 out of 10. I had the catch of the day, which was the white fish on the creamy rice. It was really good. The rice was amazing. I think that I would give like maybe a 9 out of 10 because I've never had that texture of rice before. The fish was okay. I think it was maybe like a little bit overcooked, and then it came with this like spicy kind of garlicky sauce that I lathered, and maybe I should have just waited to put on it, and I think that might have affected the flavoring. But overall, as a dish, I'd give it about a 7.5 or an 8 out of 10.
I got the ribeye steak. Be like a 7.5-ish, 7.8 out of 10. Steak was a little overcooked. Carrots are amazing. The tomatoes it came with. But yeah, overall 7.8 out of 10.
On day 2, we woke up to this beautiful sunrise.
Everyone, so we woke up after falling asleep after that in-room dinner that we had. The in-room dinner we had last night. It was alright. Honestly, looking back, I think I'd give it like overall what?
6 out of 10, honestly.
Yeah, like a 6 out of 10. It was good. It's convenient. They came pretty quick, but the food honestly didn't taste that great.
Yeah.
For Waldorf, especially the Cabo one, I had higher expectations.
Yeah.
But what was great is while we were having dinner, we had turn down service. So the lady came in and she like prepared our beds, put some slippers, turned down the lights, put on a few candles on. But to our surprise, we woke up this morning to
ready to make some coffee, and just look at this, guys, like the attention to detail. She put water already in the Nespresso and our coffee machine, and then when I came to start, you know, the drip coffee process, she had already placed some in the filter for us, so that all we had to do was just pretty much come in and press brew, and that's it. That's all we had to do.
She also placed all our Nespresso cups, cleaned them, refilled our Nespresso pods. Wow.
And left us cookies.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Just top-notch hospitality.
So definitely 10 out of 10. Thank you, Waldorf Los Cabos, for this amazing hospitality, for taking care of us.
And of course, it's never really vacation when you just have coffee in your room. They also have an amazing coffee shop at the Waldorf that you have to go check out. They make all of their coffees freshly brewed. They have an amazing latte art machine, and it's really just outstanding coffee and process, and the baristas there are amazing. They also have a beautiful store right next door where you can buy a lot of souvenirs, the beautiful hearts, some amazing clothes, bags. Just a pro tip that a lot of these things are also available in Cabo City itself for half the price.
Alright guys, next up, I got the special of the day. It's day 2 We're at the Waldorf Astoria, Los Cabos. And this is the special of the day for breakfast. The chili relleno. It's a poblano pepper stuffed with eggs, ham, cheese, covered in cotija cheese, sprinkled with some white blanco cheese, and some pickled onions on top, covered in this crazy, beautiful red sauce.
I'm all about the sweets. Always about the sweets. Butter on a toasted brioche with orange and pineapple marmalade. Bomb.
Hey guys, day 2. We're back. The same salsa selection. The green tomatillo, the habanero sauce, pineapple sauce, black habanero, cheeses and sour creams. Get the fresh tortillas here, made by this wonderful chef over there. Tortillas. The beef telas. Got the pastor quesadillas. Amazing. Part of our daily drinks is the beet juice with the ginger. Kind of like the morning cleanse that we start our day with.
Cheers.
If you come here, this is a must. You know, just tastes so fresh. You make it every morning from scratch, right in front of you, in the juicer. Cleanses the soul, cleanses your palate. Alright guys, next on the list is the best Mexican drink. A champorado. Wow. Wow, this is amazing. Guys, we did not know this. So they brought us coffee every single morning. And just today, the guy offered us iced coffee, which turns out to be included in the buffet. How's your iced coffee?
It's bomb. Bomb diggity. I'm normally like a hot coffee drinker, but as you can see, it's so bright and I'm already like completely tanned. So sometimes you need just like an iced beverage to really cool you off, and this is it. Ooh. The entire walk around the property at night is also super stunning. Tip number 2. When you're not really craving spending $900 on, you know, Michelin star restaurant food here, there's a Domino's 0.3 miles away.
All you gotta know is how to order pizza in Espanol. Quiere 3 pizzas, una pepperoni, una mexicana, y una con queso. Gracias. We're about to check out. This is our 3rd day here. Can't believe we have yet to eat our welcome cake.
It's still good.
Look at these knives. Look at this.
I know, it's so fancy.
All right, here we go.
I'll start in this corner. Oh,
I think it's meant to be bitten.
I think so too. I'm just not going to be fancy with it.
We're just going to bite into it. It's the only way to do it. Ooh.
Wow.
Really? Is that good?
I'm eating the paper.
She ate the paper.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow a lot and lets us keep sharing more travel content like this. Drop a comment down below and let us know what you think of this property. Would you ever visit the Waldorf in Cabo? We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you haven't seen part 1 with the full room tour, make sure to check that out next. See you in the next one.